So you remember Kelly Perky's magic trick where she started to create a layout based on another layout I had done. So this is the original layout, and of course here's the sketch that she made based on it. And this is the layout which I finished up, and I think it looks great. So I want to point out a couple things that I did. The first thing is I actually trimmed down the photo. I felt that the photo was too big, and you can see the little pieces I have here. I also, you recall, these little squares all came out of these Polaroid shapes, which again, I felt the scale was off. So I simply took a pair of scissors and cut around the edges, and I think that really helped. I also added 2 strips of pattern paper, which you can see here on the sketch, and in fact, if I turn the sketch the right way, you'll see here and here. So all I did is from a coordinating stack of paper, I pulled these 2 prints, which I thought went well, and pulled the colors across, right? This color is here, and this text paper is also here. The last 2 little touches that I want to share with you are, do you see this too, the title of the page that's right there? Well, let's go over here, and you'll see that what I did is from the sheet of Polaroids, I used an electronic die cutter to cut out the number 2, and then I simply used that as my title. And with the cutout that was here, I simply embellished the rest of the layout.